expand that?
Well, if they see that there is enough volume that can collapse, kasi kung, kunyari, kung nasa taas ka, and rocks will flow, it will reach a certain distance. Ang tawag nun ay run out. So you have to evaluate if the volume of deposit on the slope, if this would collapse, would run out further beyond 6 kilometers. So they would have to increase it so that people are safe. So parang they evaluate kung tatakbo at aabutan pa beyond 6.
So do we have projections na po kaya on how extensive yung expansion po?
O wala pa silang sinasabi because they have to discuss if they need to increase it because kung wala namang volume na nandun sa slope, nababagsak at lalagpas sa 6, hindi mo kailangan, right? So they have to really study it. Kasi parang yung threat na wala. Nahulog na kasi yung nakabitin doon eh. So they have to evaluate other parts of the volcano or other streams. Sa ating po mga kababayan sa paligid ng Mayon Volcano, kahit hindi po sumasabog ng talagang todo, yung explosive eruption ang nakikita, kundi dahan-dahan paglabas ng lava, yung dami ng lava na nakabitin sa dalisdis ng volcan, pwedeng mahulog yan parang landslide. Dahil mainit, maraming gas, nakakapasok, at kapag ikaw ay naabutan at nakulog ka sa abo, pwede kang mamatay dahil wala ka ng oxygen na mahihinga. Pwede kang mamatay. Kaya umiiwas dapat doon sa 6-kilometer permanent danger zone. At kung merong episode na bumabagsak ang abo, magsuot ng mask. Pag walang mask, basang damit, panyo. Tumago sa loob ng bahay, sarado ang bintana at pintuan. Huwag mo nang magmaneho kasi madulas ang kalsada habang bumabagsak. Zero visibility minsan pa.